To create a dynamic contact segment in Brevo using a template, log into your Brevo account and wait for the dashboard to fully load. Once you're in, head straight to the left sidebar and click CRM, then Contacts. That's your database, where every subscriber lives. Right now, you're going to teach Brevo to automatically sort people for you, so you'll never have to manually export a list and import it into a campaign again. At the top of the Contacts page, you'll see the Load a List or a Segment button. Click that, then choose Segment, and finally My Segments. This is where all your existing segments live. I always pause here and quickly scan what I already have, because I've definitely duplicated work before. Once I had 3 slightly different engaged subscribers segments floating around, and it made reporting a mess. So just look, is there already a segment that does what you need? If so, you can skip building a new one. If not, let's build from a template, which is the fastest way. Click Add a New Segment. Brevo will show you the options. You can build a segment from scratch with manual rules, but today you're going to choose a template. The template gallery opens up, and you'll see options like engaged contacts, inactive contacts, contacts with high probability to convert, and so on. All of them are built around common marketing objectives. For example, the engaged contacts template has predefined conditions like contact has opened at least one campaign in the last 30 days, and contact has clicked at least one campaign in the last 30 days. If that's what you want, go ahead and select it. But I'll tell you a small tweak I often make. When I'm preparing a flash sale, I don't want 30-day engagement, I want a hotter audience, so I change that to 7 days. You can adjust every condition right after loading the template, so don't feel locked in. Pick the template that gets you closest to your goal, then we'll refine it. Once you select a template, Brevo loads the rule set. You'll see each condition on screen connected by AND or logic. This is the part where I slow down and read carefully. I once built a segment for customers who bought product A or product B when I meant AND. So the segment captured everyone who bought either one, and I mistakenly sent a cross-sell email to people who had already purchased both. That's a waste of a send credit. So look at the logic. Do you need all conditions to match AND or any of them or? Most templates default to AND, and that's usually correct, but double check. You can also add more conditions by clicking the plus sign. For instance, if you want only contacts in a specific country, you'd add country is exactly United States. The template didn't know your geography needs, so you layer that on. Now give the segment a clear searchable name. Don't name it segment 3 inches or test 12. I use naming conventions like dynamic, engaged, US, last 7 days. That way, 6 months from now, I know exactly who's in there. A good name saves you from squinting at the rules every time. After naming, click Save. Brevo will instantly create the segment. The kicker is that this segment is dynamic, it's alive. Right after saving, take a look at the contact count. You'll see a number. Tomorrow it might be slightly different because people open or don't open emails, and Brevo automatically adds or removes them based on your conditions. That's the whole beauty of dynamic segments. Set the rules once, and Brevo keeps the audience updated for you. No more exporting CSV files and re-uploading every week. Before you run off to use this segment in a campaign, here's one more thing I always do. Spot check the sample contacts. Click on the segment name to preview who's actually in there. Do the first few rows look right? If you built an engaged segment and you see a contact who hasn't opened anything in 6 months, something's off with your conditions. Maybe you accidentally set the time frame to ever instead of in the last 30 days. Catching that now prevents a poorly targeted email. And if you need to change the rules later, just open the segment, adjust the conditions, save again, and Brevo reevaluates everyone instantly. The segment history doesn't get cluttered, it just updates. You've now created a dynamic contact segment in Brevo from a template. It'll continuously self-clean, keeping your campaigns focused on the right people. Start using it in your next newsletter or automation, and you'll notice your open rates get more meaningful because you're not yelling into a void. If you ever want to clone this segment for a slightly different audience, just duplicate it and tweak the rules. Templates are your springboard, not a cage. I'd recommend you spend 5 minutes now looking at the other templates Brevo offers. You might find an at-risk of churn segment you can set up in under a minute. Save this video somewhere handy, and when you're building your next campaign, come back to these steps and you'll fly through setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.